Are you kidding me, bitch? I had this in my hair all day and nobody told me? Are you serious? Yo, I dead seriously went to work today, did a 4-hour shift, was playing in my hair all day. Where did this come from? So last night, welcome back to another video, and this time is going to be on a review on this gorgeous hair. I did style it with a 1-inch curling iron, but before I get into that, let me tell you about this hair company. So this hair company is called KBeth Hair, and I have worked with them before. They sent me some long straight bundles before and they were amazing. So now I'm working with them again. So KBeth sent me 18, 20, 22 inches and a 16-inch 4x4 closure. You guys know I don't really care for closures, but this one in particular, I did follow a lot of YouTube videos on how to like really get a seamless closure and basically how to make it look like a frontal. So basically, honestly, it's the same thing that you do to a frontal, you do the same thing to a closure, but this one they give you a lot of parting space from here to here, about eye to eye they give you of parting space, so I definitely do like that. I will say that this hair does shed, but that could be because I made this wig. They sent me bundles. It could be that when I made this wig I did cut the tracks, so it could be from that. I did construct this wig on a spandex dome cap like I always do, and at first I had a side part that was right here. That's why this side is a little bit more up, because today I was rushing out the house and I was not able to use the hot comb on this side, but I tried to like match it by pulling it back and then pulling it forward so that it could sort of match the other side. But in the package they did send me some mink lashes. These are gorgeous. These are in the style T18. These are mink 3D hair lashes. So when you make a purchase, you will get these lashes in your purchase, and also they are available for sale. So I don't know, as of late I've been rocking middle parts. It just depends on how the closure looks. So all I did was make my straight part here in the middle, and then I put some concealer, just a little bit, the same concealer that I use for the top of my brows, which is the NYX Stay Matte Not Fat Foundation in the shade Cinnamon Roll, or Cinnamon, oh, it's right here, I'll just tell you. So it's in the shade Cinnamon Spice. It's Stay Matte Not Fat Foundation. I really don't like to have a distinct part. I never pluck my parts to make them like stand out. I like it when it's not really noticeable, but noticeable like this. To me it just looks more natural, and you guys have seen my Melt That Lace video, then you already know how I do my baby hair. Same thing, same techniques. Really, it's simple. I don't really know how to do baby hair, but I got a lot of comments in the comment section for that video saying that I knew how to do baby hairs, the Instagram baby hairs, but I try. I don't know, I just use my finger and swirl it around my finger, and that's how I get it. I don't know. As far as shedding goes with this hair, it does shed like I was stating before. So last night I used pin curl clips, and to keep the curl that I have, this pretty gorgeous curl, let me show you. This is the curls that I have. Cute, right? I know. These curls came from a 1-inch curling iron 2 days ago, and last night I don't want to keep putting heat on the hair, so I am gonna continue to wear it curly because it is a body wave texture. So what I did was I put some the hair in pin curl clips, and I just slept on it, and then in the front, to get like this flip, what I did was I parted the hair like this, which is basically the closure, and I rolled the hair back. so that when I take the hair out, because the hair is rolled like this, when I take the hair out I could just like form it to go forward, and that's how I got these little humps in the front. If you don't have time to do that, or if you didn't put your hair in rollers that night, you can just take the curling iron and just let it sit over the barrel, let the hair sit over the barrel, and you can get these front flips. But I just feel like it just adds more oomph and more naturalness and like more fluffiness and volume to the hair versus you wearing it flat on your head. I would never, like, I don't know, I just feel like that's, I don't know, that's just me. I feel like I need my front pieces to be like cute to the side, right? I know. As far as the front pieces go, I did take a razor and I did some cutting in the front, just right here. I have some layers here in the front, and that's how I'm able to also get this little flip action going on here. And this side I cut a little bit too much, but I'm loving it. You can't tell once the hair is curled, but I feel like this side has more of a feather to it. As far as the hair holding a curl, I feel like every 2 days I have to curl it again, and that's why last night I put the pin curl clips in it, and I'm going to do the same thing tonight because I don't want to keep putting heat on this hair because I feel like the hair is so soft. It has an amazing luster. The hair came this color. I want to say it's a 1B because in the light, in the sunlight, it is a dark brown, so it's not going to be, it looks black here on camera but it's not. So I didn't like put anything like chemically change this hair. I didn't put dye or bleach on this hair, it just came like this. I'm just wearing it naturally. It did have like a nice body wave to it, but I did co-wash the hair, and of course that wave is going to come out, so you have to find a way to put it right back in. So yeah, I've been rocking this hair for at least a week and a half now. Like I said, the shedding is, I mean, if you care about shedding that much, which you really shouldn't because your natural hair would shed, I mean, I would not buy this hair because of shedding. I think it was just my fault because I cut from track to track and that causes shedding on the ends. But other than that, this hair is awesome. Go buy you some KBeth hair. All of the links will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.